Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make dubstep in the style of Commodo, inspired by his tracks Hadi Hadi Ah, Jaded, Shark and AMK. The project file samples and presets are available for a small contribution in the description, and please do like and subscribe. If you're interested in more videos that cover this style, check out my So Here's How To, which I'll link on the screen and below. Our BPM is 140 and we're in the key of F Phrygian dominant, although harmonic and natural minor scales also work well for this genre. If you're not sure what scale Phrygian dominant is, you can use the Phrygian dominant MIDI effect by dragging it onto a MIDI instrument channel to get more familiarized with the scale. This is the kick. Then we have the rest of the drums. The clap. Pedal hat. Which is a real drum kit sample. Commodo uses real-world recordings, whether it's acoustic drums, film samples, guitars, or field recordings, and this helps imbue his music with its unique organic quality, something I've approximated here. You'll notice these types of samples throughout the project. The pedal hat has been panned. Then we have the shakers, all of which have been panned too. So shaker 1, shaker 2, and shaker 3. There are instances of triplets with these shakers, which you can see here. And these types of rhythms tend to work well for dubstep, although what we have here is perhaps a little bit of trap influence. This is the perk loop, which is a mixture of congas and tablas. All the elements in the drums group have this MPC groove applied, and on the group we have some processing and reverb applied via Send A, which is this edited basement preset. Next we have the basses. So first we have this saw bass. We have a sawtooth taken down by 2 octaves, and I've altered the ADSR of the amp envelope. So there's decay over time, which you can see here. There's a filter with drive plus distortion in the effects. Then we have the dubsteppy bass. We have a sine wave, which has been taken down by 2 octaves, a fast ramping up amp envelope, and a low pass filter with drive. For both basses, the drive and distortion help thicken the sound. On the group, we have a sub sidechain rack where I've split the bass frequencies using EQ to sidechain the low frequencies using the kick as a trigger. EQ, but I haven't applied any reverb since these bass sounds are very, very low in terms of frequency. Commodo doesn't use two separate basses in the same section as I'm doing here in any of the inspiration tracks, but I thought it'd be informative to demonstrate two different Commodo style basses. Then we have the effects group. First, there's a cymbal with reverb, as Commodo uses a similar element in both Jaded and Lone Shark. This dubby perk. I've used saturation to shape this sound. Plus EQ and of course dubby echo. Then we have three different ambient layers: the crackle, ambience 1, and ambience 2. I've used phasers here to create width and movement, as Commodo's ambient noise layers sometimes seem like they have similar processing. On the group, there's drum bus, EQ, chorus, and reverb applied via send A. Then we have the horn. This melody matches the bass line, although I have altered the velocities of the lead melody. I've cut the lead and bass melodies towards the end of the loop, as Commodo does these types of micro arrangement change-ups in Hadi Hadi Ah and Lone Shark. On the channel, we have EQ, chorus, and reverb applied via send A. Finally, we have the vocals. These all have echoes applied. And we have the reversed melodic vocal, chant, and a spoken vocal in an Indian language. On the group, there's drum bass, EQ, chorus, long reverb, and the shorter reverb via send A. I noticed Commodo using long reverbs on chants in Jaded and felt that it worked well on all the vocals in this project. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to leave any ideas for future tutorials in the comments, and I will see you next time.